Welcome back friends, once again in this video tutorial of Anita Bioconcept, and today I am starting lecture series of plant biotechnology or plant tissue culture. And in this video tutorial I will be discussing about the somatic hybridization. What is somatic hybridization and how it is being achieved. So our topic is somatic hybridization. So first of all we will discuss that what is the meaning of somatic hybridization. Okay, somatic hybridization is basically the production of hybrid plants. Okay, production of hybrid plants through the fusion of two different plant species or varieties. In this process of somatic hybridization, what we do, what we follow is we fuse two different plant species or better say varieties, and we get somatic hybrids. And this process of fusion of two different plant species or varieties and to get somatic hybrids is known as somatic hybridization. Okay. So what are the basic techniques step by step? So first step is we will isolate or we will follow the isolation of protoplast. What is protoplast? What are protoplasts? Protoplasts are those type of plant cells which which are not having their cell wall. Their cell wall have been removed by the help of cell wall digesting enzymes. So first of all we will follow the isolation of protoplast. After that fusion of protoplast will be achieved of desired species or varieties. Okay, and after that what we will do? After that we will select the hybrid cells. After that selection of hybrid cells will be done. And finally the culturing of those hybrid cells will be followed up. After that we will culture the hybrid cells, and finally the regeneration of hybrid plants will be followed, and finally regeneration of hybrid plants is followed up or will be followed up. Okay, so this is very simple. Somatic hybridization is very simple process. First of all we will fuse the protoplast. After that hybrid cells will be selected, and after the selection of hybrid cells, those hybrid cells will be cultured, and finally the regeneration of hybrid plants will be followed from the cultured hybrid cells. Okay. Now basically in isolation of protoplast, how the fusion of protoplast does takes place, how the hybrid cells are selected and how they are cultured, and the regeneration process. So in each and every step I will be discussing in detail in my further video tutorial. So in short I am just telling about the isolation of, because it is very simple, isolation of protoplast, how we achieve and how we are going to follow the isolation of protoplast. Okay, so isolation of protoplast is being by is being achieved by the treatment of cells or tissues, by the treatment of plant cells and tissues, by the treating them or by treatment with cell wall degrading enzymes. And two most commonly used enzymes are pectinases, or they are also known as macero enzymes. And the second most common enzyme used for the isolation of protoplast from the cells of plant and tissues of the plants are cellulase. Okay. So these two are the most commonly used enzymes, and for some tissues generally we prefer sometimes for some of the tissues hemicellulase. So these are the various cell wall degrading enzymes, and if you degrade the cell wall, if you digest the cell wall of plants, then the resulting plant cell will be known as protoplast. So now we will discuss about the general procedure of somatic hybridization. First of all, what we will do, first of all, leaf surface is sterilized. First of all, leaf surface is sterilized, means surface sterilization of leaf is being achieved. After the surface sterilization, after lower epidermis, lower epidermis is peeled off, okay, lower epidermis is peeled off. After performing the surface sterilization of leaves, their lower epidermis are being peeled off, and after that what happens, and after that leaf is cutted into small pieces. Leaf is cutted into small pieces, and these leaf pieces are incubated in an enzyme mixture. Okay, enzyme mixture. For what time? For about 16 to 18 hours. For about 16 to 18 hours of time. And after that, what we will do? After that, protoplasts are being separated. Protoplasts are separated from debris. Separated from debris, okay. And then after fusion of protoplast, after that what we will follow? After that, fusion of protoplast with the help of fusion of protoplast does takes place with the help of polyethylene glycol, or better known as PEG, okay, with the help of PEG solution, polyethylene glycol. Then hybrid cells are selected. What I have told here, hybrid cells are selected. Then after selection of hybrid cells, and after that they are cultured. After that they are cultured, and after culturing the hybrid cells, plantlets are generated, okay. Plantlets are being generated, and finally characterization and evaluation is done. Final process is the characterization and evaluation is done of what? Of regenerated plants. Whatever plants have been regenerated, they are being characterized and evaluated, okay. So this is about the steps in somatic hybridization. These all are the steps of somatic hybridization, such as isolation of protoplast, fusion of protoplast, selection of hybrid cells, culturing the hybrid cells. After that, regeneration of hybrid plants will be followed, and in my upcoming video tutorials I will be discussing about each and every topic or the steps of getting the somatic hybrids or the process of somatic hybridization in detail. So till then, thank you all.